Oh, what a beautiful group of spring knits. These are going to be spring knits. They're all different prices, but they are the best price we can possibly offer you. So just let me show them to you. Love this. This is a cotton poly. Look at the colors. Everything that's current right now. It has stretch in both directions. The drape on this, the density is very tight and the drape is very good. You can see that. So any kind of t-shirt, it's going to just be wonderful. Pants would be awesome. I put in here this green to go with because it just blends beautifully. If I throw this up here and throw this up here, I just love that together. Again, not that it matches, it just blends beautifully. So they really work together. I love the combination. This is a cotton poly, very little poly, it's mostly cotton. It has stretch in both directions. It's a Pontoroma weight. So just a great weight. And also blends beautifully with this one. This is one of our newest spring knits. It has stretch in both directions. This is 100% viscose. It's an Italian viscose, and it looks very Italian to me. It is not inexpensive, but boy, is it lovely. The drape on this, again, is just stunning. The density is very tight, and it's beautiful. And again, I paired it with colors that it would look well with. It would look beautiful with jeans. Just with a pair of jeans, I think it'd look great. But the pink and the green also go. This is 100% cotton. This is a Pontoroma. It has stretch in both directions. Again, just a Pontoroma knit. That's just a great color. You know, pink is everywhere for spring. I blended this black in because the black is what the background color is in this. It's the blacks, the greens, the pinks, the blues, and this black really complements it beautifully. This is 100% viscose. It has stretch in one direction. Very beautiful weight knit. Very, very pretty, and it's just a really good price, especially for what it is. I don't have a lot of it, but it's beautiful. Then this last one is a silk knit, and we don't run across silk knits very often, especially in this day and age. The manufacturers are just not making as many, but that's just stunning. As you can see, there's a little bit of difference in sides, but you could really use both sides. One's definitely a little bit lighter. It is 100% silk knit. It has stretch in one direction. Isn't that beautiful? And I paired it with the black because it just looks so rich. The purple colors are just lovely. I don't know what to say, except again, not inexpensive, but I've put it like $5 a yard less today and tomorrow. And I think you're just going to love that. It's just absolutely stunningly beautiful. So Thursday Morning Fabrics, all spring knits. You'll love them, make them, wear them. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.